In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Google Meet, allowing you to create custom images and text for a more personalized experience. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Meet's website. This is where all the magic starts. If you're signed into your Google account, you should see a familiar interface. This is going to be our playground for customizing your Google Meet experience. Once there, look towards the top of the screen for the New Meeting button. This will allow you to kick off a brand new session. It's very straightforward, just a simple click, and you'll be on your way to starting a meeting. After clicking New Meeting, you're given a few options. In this case, choose Start an Instant Meeting. This step will quickly launch a meeting for you. It's a useful feature for spontaneous calls, setting the stage for you to apply your new background image. Once your meeting has started, direct your attention to the bottom right of your screen. You'll see an icon representing more options. Click on it to reveal additional settings that enhance your meeting experience. In this extended menu, you'll find an option labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Click on this to explore a variety of visual options that can transform your meeting's backdrop into something uniquely yours. This feature allows you to experiment with different backgrounds and effects, so don't hesitate to try out various looks until you find the one that best fits your personality or the tone of the meeting. Continuing on, locate and select the Add Your Own Personal Background option. This is where you can upload a custom image from your device. Perhaps you have a favorite vacation photo, a company logo, or an inspiring image you'd like to display. Make sure your image is of high quality, as this will represent you while you're on the call. Once you've uploaded your chosen image, take a moment to see how it looks on screen. If your image doesn't align perfectly or seems off, don't worry. You can always go back, upload another image, and experiment with different options. It's all about making your Google Meet sessions more dynamic and engaging. These steps will allow you to fully utilize Google Meet's customizable background features, adding a personal touch to your virtual gatherings. Whether for work, school, or connecting with friends and family, your virtual environment can now be as vibrant as your in-person meetings. Enjoy crafting a background that best suits your needs and have fun bringing a bit more personality to your virtual calls. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy meeting.